Hi everyone. Once again, we have to create this video as per the request of my niece here, and also working as an OFW, and she wanted to import the contacts from Excel to Outlook. So how we'll do it is like for this demonstration, actually I asked her like what is the version of the Outlook that she's using, and it's telling that it's Outlook 365. So by the way, Outlook 365 is part of the Office 365, which is a Microsoft software for subscription, like most of the company are using right now. So since we are going to uh, import the contacts to your local Outlook, so here you have to select this one, like the contacts, and this is the thing. Then I search one of the contact, which is Abby. By the way, Abby is my daughter, and this is not her real address. This is only a sample. Okay. um, yeah, how to do that is before we can import, we should know the structure of the file, the contact records of the Outlook, before we can add a new record in it and import it back. So that the first step is to export the file, so we'll know the structure of the file of the contacts that is used by Outlook. So first is we have to click the file, and there is open and export, and there is import/export, and we have to export the file first, as that is the first step that we have to do. And we have to select the comma separated values, the CSV file. Yeah. And what we have to select is the contacts. We have to export the contacts of this Outlook, and we'll put it as the my contacts, and the file is already existing on my document, so we have to overwrite it. So replace and finish. So we'll go to my file here. So this is the my contact, so I have to open it. So by the way, the icon is Excel, because that is CSV normally it's can be opened in Excel only, otherwise it will be corrupted, I mean not readable. So since the icon here is already Excel, so we can just right click and open, or double click this one to open. Or if it is not Excel, actually you have to use the open with, and you have to select it with Excel here. Okay, so since that is Excel already, so you can double click this one, and we have to see the Abby here. Alright, so since we don't need most of the files here, okay, one sec. Okay, because we have to select from here. Where is the everything? Okay, we have to from 83 up. Okay, so from 83 up, why I'm moving that one, so you will not see the records for data privacy thing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Actually, guys, I'm trying to share my knowledge in this thing. As I've said, that this is requested by my niece here. So this is the time that I am like interested. I mean, I'll be a YouTuber, yeah, for this thing. So maybe you can support me on this journey. Yeah, I will share more video. So I have to delete this one. Don't delete the header, okay? Because that is very important. Don't delete any columns on this. That is the structure of the file which you have to follow, okay? So I have to delete this one. I only delete the records. So so it will be like yeah, it is a data privacy, so we should not what happened to this one, why this is a title here. So maybe there's this is a title actually, but I'm not sure, but I don't know why it become like there's some other symbols. Okay, so if you want to add another file, for example dudes, okay, and the last name is tax, and here number 4 you have to follow whatever here, so you have to follow whatever the format here, so I have to put dudes, okay, gmail.com, yahoo.com. So actually when my son is asking like what is my email address, I said it's at yahoo.com. So he said that you are the old school. That's thing that I'm the old school. It's really crazy. Okay, yeah. So I have to put here like for example it is dudes. I only copy paste, so it will be maybe it is faster. But you have to be careful that you'll not get mistaken this one. So for example mine is dudes, like that. So you can just copy paste whatever required. So if you need a phone number, there is a mobile number here. If you need a home phone number, you can put also. But for example, you need the phone number here. For example, I'll put my phone number, my mobile. Okay, so if I will put, and this one maybe okay, I'll put my mobile. So for example, I have to put 05612456 how many? Okay, for example like that, but that is not my number. So you can see that the 0 is not there, right? So if you really want to put the 0, so you have to put the hyphen like that. So by the way, earlier there were records, no? So we can see the record. Some mobiles has the plus sign, etc. plus e dot something. So you have to edit that one. So how you'll edit it? You have to click and make this one as text. Okay. And this one should have the hyphen on the first. You have to append the hyphen on the first. So it will show all the numbers. It's like the phone number also. So we'll see. So the mobile of Avi, if we will like edit it, maybe we can edit. So for example is like 052 something like that, 79, okay, but that is not the real number, and the wins also is here. For example 032 like that. So we appended this, but this is, for example, this is the home phone. Okay, it's like that. So okay, we'll see if we're going to insert. So if you have a lot more to add, you can just add it here and this one, and follow the other things here also. So it should be on the same row, otherwise it will display on a different name. Yeah. Okay, so I think it's clear that the header, the column should not be deleted. You have to only delete the record if you don't want, but if you can also append if you would like to, because you don't need to delete anything, you can just add it here. So Okay, I will show you then on why you can only add. Don't delete it. Just add it. Add here whatever the new records that you want. Then keep the old records so you'll not touch anything. Okay, so I have to save this one. Okay, it's saved. And as you can see, there are two records that are old records or existing records on my contacts, right? So okay, so I will close this one. So it's already we have to double check if that is saved. So dudes tags is there. Okay, so it's fine. So we'll go back to Outlook. So then the same thing we have to do. You have to open and export, and there is import, export. Then here earlier it was export because we need the file. Now we have to import because we need to add the contacts on locally on this Outlook. So you have to use this select this one, import from another file, program or file. The next, then use the same comma separated values CSV file, and here see allow duplicates to be created. So if you want to, if it's already existing and you want to duplicate it, then replace duplicates with items imported. So there is also an option, or if you don't want, do not import the duplicate items, so you can do also. So since I've added the phones of Abby and Vince, so maybe we can select this one, replace duplicates with items imported. So then click next, and same thing, contacts, next, and finish importing. Yeah, now we have to search for Abby. So see, the mobile is here. It's updated because we selected the replace existing contact. How about Vince? So if we'll see Vince, he should have the home phone number, right? So where is the home phone number? Edit contacts. Okay. So home phone number. Maybe we put it on a different one. So if you really want to what do you call it, to sure that you are in the on the correct field, so before exporting you have to it's here, home. So where is this so it shows on these details, but it's not showing here. So you have to fill in one of these, and before then export, then you can see that that is the correct field that you have filled in. Okay, so that's the only thing. And how about the dudes? The dudes. Yep, and there's a mobile number, and this is the email. See, it's really easy. It's like a piece of cake. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you uh, get a learning on this, and if you have any suggested topic to be created for another video, then you can suggest on the what's the comment box, and we'll see if I can do it. Yeah, thank you again for supporting and watching this video. God bless us all. Bye.